Here we have a 1959 Ford Thunderbird. This car is showing largely now as it was when it was built. It is, it was originally born a colonial white car, which it still is. That's paint code E. And it's an H code, which is a 352 V8. This car came into us on consignment just the way you see it here from a collector and owner. Car runs and drives great, as the previous customer and our shop stated, that the car runs and drives nicely, goes down the road well. These square birds, as they call them, have definitely gained in popularity over the last 10 years. And they are a cool and somewhat affordable way to get into the classic car hobby and definitely have the 50s feel while doing so. Now you can see all the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll see photos of the inside, outside, underneath, the undercarriage, under the hood, all of that. We'll take a look at the interior here. All right, again, as I mentioned, the car was colonial white, black interior. Seems to be a pretty solid car. You'll see even, under the doors, rocker panels, things like that. Seem to be pretty solid. It's a nice driver quality car that you can get in and cruise. And like I said, get the feel of the fabulous 50s without breaking the bank. The dash is in nice shape up there. It's not all busted up like you see on some of them. Bucket seats with the center console. Odometer reads 68,500 miles. Those are believed to be actual, but we'll leave that ultimately up to the buyer to decide. We don't have any documentation to prove that, so therefore we'll leave it up to you. A little bit of wear on both armrests, nothing obnoxious, but it's kind of the same on both sides. Upgraded AM/FM CD player, Alpine. Here's your climate control systems down here. And I like that the previous owner did install some gauges down here so you can get a better eye on what's happening with your car. It's always a good idea. Back seat looks great. The upholstery's in good shape. Headliner's good, it's not sagging, stained. There's no foul odors or storage smell or nothing like that in this car. Got a good look. We'll go over to the passenger side here quick. Car does come with the original owner's manual. Again, you'll see that in the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. As we make our way around the other side, I'll show you a couple of paint flaws or things like that. If you look at the bottom here, you'll see there's kind of a little crease there or something below the trim, and on the bottom of the rocker there's kind of a black spot there. You can see, like I said, car's not perfect, but it definitely's got a great look. Runs awesome. There's a few spots back here too. You'll see maybe some touch-ups or things like this have happened over the years. There's a little ding right here. And there might have been, I think there was a few touch-ups on the front here as well. I'll point those out as long as we're looking. Right here, kind of along the front here. There you go. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood, open it up, and fire it up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
You see the stereo fires up. Gauges down there. Let's take a look under the hood. Nicely equipped under here as well. You got a dual pot master cylinder with power brakes, power steering as well. But most importantly, just look and listen at how smooth that engine runs. Very clean and tidy under the hood. Okay, one more trip around. You hear what it sounds like off the back here. All right, once more, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, offers are considered, and financing is available as well.